Well, boys, let me know when you see them. You might not be able to catch a glimpse at first, but we got ourselves some trespassers, boys. Oh, should be able to see them now. Here they come. Yep, pretty sure they're working for G-Tel. I had to blur them out for court. We got a big court case coming up, boys. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about that. What would you do? What would you do if you were in my work boots, boys? Look at this. Scoping out, looking for weed eaters. Looking. Oh, is there a weed eater there? No, no weed eater there. Oh, is there a weed eater over there? No. Funny that. Maybe because they're all put away, knowing full well G-Tel's out scoping weed eaters. So, yeah, definitely on the prowl for my good stuff. There's no doubt about that. So, steps are going to need to be taken, and we're going about the proper avenues. We'll just put it that way. We're taking about this to proper avenues, boys. And you see just piles of accomplices swarming inwood. Just look at them all. Holy, doing papa squealies and everything. On skidders, call the cops right now! Oh my goodness gracious. Yep, there's more of them. They're everywhere. Oh, piles of them. I thought I heard that one doing a burnout the other day. Oh, zigging and zagging. Holy, that's just about enough of that. So I'm pretty sure we got a Segert gang in Inwood. Segerts and bikes. I seen them down the Legion mining Segert butts the other day, for fuck's sakes. Oh, well, if it isn't Lance Armstrong's step cousin. Paying no regards to signage. I apologize. My sincere apologies. Oh, there's the gang. There's the gang of them running. Oh! Oh! So that's what caught Tippy Saunters friggin' out of the corner of her cigarette. So she come out to the shop and, told me, oh, I think I seen somebody running across the yard, and I could hear the friggin' children's out there just squelching big time. So I figured it was just kids or something. But you can see me just come rocketing out. What was it? 7:43. I think we're come out here in a few seconds, but you can see the kids across the road. They're in the neighbor's yard and stuff. Hey, they're just up to no good, boys. They're looking for weed eaters. I think G-Tel's hired them. But you look at me, just in a rage, eh? Like friggin' kids and this and that. But Tiffany's just telling me, like, I think they were coming from that way and coming over here or something. So I'm just like, oh, we'll see what's going on. She goes to put the neighbor's garbage bins away. It's Thursday's garbage day in Inwood, in case anybody noticed. But as the kids are going by, I think she just tells them, just make sure you stay out of the yard here. It's not for kids. No children's allowed. You're at the wrong place, buds. Eh? Oh, popping squealies. Careful. Careful your appliance. But so at this point, that kid's under my trailer, and all these kids are freaking out because their like friend is like trapped, right? So they're just abandoning her. Oh shit! But yeah, there goes Buddy across the yard, cut through from friggin' dirty old Fred's. And he'll have to put up a friggin' no trespassing sign over there. But then this kid comes just screaming through the yard on the hunt for the weed eaters. Had to blur her out for court. Court! But looks like she found herself a bit of a hiding spot. Check this out. Like never in my wildest dreams did I expect this. So, she gets under the trailer, and then, a couple minutes later, oh, you can see the kids in the neighbor's yard there. They're over there probably planting dope or something. Big friggin' dope planting operation across the road. But, being there's nothing to do in Inwood. Just a little game of the hide and sneaks there, no big deal. But problem is, hiding under a trailer and stuff. Like, obviously that one doesn't have a truck hooked up, but who's to say, things happen, right? You get under somebody's trailer and they don't know you're there. Next thing you know, they start thundering around and run you over and pop your head like the felon's friggin' good blasting finger. Not good. And like, if sure it would be an accident and this and that, but that would be a terrible thing to live with, popping a little kid. Not good, right? So we got to try to avoid that. But you can see them, she's under the trailer. They see me. Like, I'm just looking at the footage. Just as I see what's happening, right? I'm pulling up the footage and I'm friggin' trying to just see what Tiffany saw. Tiffany said she seen somebody running across the yard or something. So I'm just trying to see what it was. And then next thing you know, like just look at my appliance here. Watch what happens. This is pretty funny. Oh, here we go. I think this is it. We're getting close. Look at my appliance. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I was quite happy to see you hiding here. I would never go back in here, okay? I'm so sorry.
Holy shit, you did.
I am so sorry. Can I go? Thank you so much.
She asked me if she can go.
Thank you so much.
Very polite. Very polite young lady, I must say. So that's one point. Give her points for that, I guess. But yeah, I just did not expect there to be somebody under the trailer. You see me just keeling over. I couldn't believe it. Just friggin' diabolical. But yeah, we can't do that there, kids. Hey, go smoke cigarettes or something. Stay out of Inwood.